So the word problem for today is, you climb a 30-foot ladder. The 30-foot ladder is represented by AB, and the zip line form a 62-degree angle. The person riding the zip line is 5 feet tall, so the zip line ends when their feet hit the ground. What is the length of BC, or the zip line? So 30-foot ladder. Now, this is representing the person. So by doing this, we're representing that the person, if he's attached to the zip line right here, his feet are going to hit the ground right here. Now, we can't stop it when his head hits the ground. And this is where the zip line ends, at this point right here. So that's what we're going to do. But first we have to name all the points, So this will be A, this will be B, this will be C, this will be D, and this will be E. So after we do that, we can redraw it over here. So when we do this, you get like that. Oh, my bad. I forgot to draw 62 degrees in there. Oh, and I messed that up. 62 degrees there. 62 degrees there. Then we have, oh, one thing. This is 25 feet now because we're taking 5 feet off from the person landing his feet hit the ground. So the zip line will end 5 feet above the ground. So like if this line is the ground right here, this is 5 feet above it. This is where the zip line will end. And then, yeah. So that's 25 feet here. So, and this is X. So 62 from that point, it would be adjacent over hypotenuse, because 25 is adjacent and then the X is hypotenuse. So it would be COS 62 equals 25 over X. Then you multiply X both sides, cross that out, and then X times cosine 62 equals 25. Then you divide both sides. One sec. And there. So right now, this is where you should be. You have 25 over cosine 62. And then if we do it, you get X equals 53.25 feet. So after doing this, we know now that the zip line length, the actual line BC, is 53.25 feet. Thank you.